In the example on the potential divider concept, we have a rheostat in series with a 1k ohm fixed resistor and connected to a 10 volt battery. A voltmeter is connected across the rheostat to measure its PD. Okay, we have observed that as the resistance of the rheostat increases, the voltmeter reading will increase. In other words, the PD across the rheostat will increase as well. What happens if we replace the voltmeter with a light bulb? How does the brightness of the light bulb change as I increase the resistance of the rheostat? Okay, let's observe this using the PHET simulation. Right. In the earlier case, we have a voltmeter connected across the fixed resistance. Okay, now we'll replace that with a light bulb instead. A light bulb with a fixed resistance of 10 ohms. Okay, let's start with the low resistance in the rheostat. Okay, initially, let's disconnect the light bulb first. Okay, with a earlier circuit rheostat in series with fixed resistor, I close the switch and we have a current of 0.5 ampere flowing through the entire circuit. Okay. However, observe carefully what happens with the current, the main current, when I connect the light bulb in the circuit. The main current actually increases from 0.5 to 0.67 ampere. Okay, this happens because the rheostat is now in parallel with the light bulb. So this section of the circuit will have a smaller effective resistance. And we add it to the fixed resistance, the effective resistance of this circuit is now smaller, hence the larger current. For the parallel circuit, part of the current is flowing through the rheostat and part of it passes through the light bulb. Okay, as we increase the resistance of the rheostat, the PD across this rheostat will also increase, which means that for the light bulb in parallel with it, the PD across this light bulb is expected to increase. The light bulb has a fixed resistance, which means that if its PD increases, its current will actually increase. Let's observe if that happens. Okay, we are going to increase the resistance of light bulb. Observe the current through the light bulb and its brightness. Okay, so as we increase the resistance of light bulb, of the rheostat, sorry, the current through the rheostat decreases, but the current through the light bulb actually increases. So light bulb will actually become brighter and brighter. Okay, right. So when the rheostat is increasing its resistance, we find that the current passing through the light bulb increases and the light bulb becomes brighter, which means that the PD across the light bulb also increases, just like the PD across the rheostat.